Hi, my beautiful gems. Welcome back to my channel. So I stumbled across Angelina Jordan sings Adele in a train station. Absolute chills, and I know it will be amazing. So let's dive in. Here we go.
Can you play the song?
Ah, yeah, okay, Adele.
Yes. Can I sing it with you?
Oh, you want to sing? Okay.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move.
Guys, not to interrupt, but how many singers have you seen act in that manner? She's just so humble. She's definitely a gift from God. Like, oh my God.
The things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. And everybody is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true.
As a kids.
You look like a movie. You sound like a song. Oh my God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you with that. In case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old, and made us restless. It was just like a movie.
Her body was
It
mesmerized.
was just like a song when we were young.
Nice, thank you.
Guys, that was so short. No one expected that from Angelina Jordan. And she was also barefooted. Like, she just keeps getting better at her craft. She's so beautiful. She's amazing. I'm so glad that I know Angelina Jordan. Well, I don't know her personally, but I feel like I do because we saw her grow up and everything. So it's like, oh my God, she's my little sister. Guys, she has a heart of gold. And this queen is definitely being led by God. She is just so phenomenal. And everyone was so mesmerized. Did you see the kids? The kids like, Mom, what's going on? Her voice, like, just has so much soul. And they were so mesmerized. Like, everyone just stopped what they're doing. And I'm sure if someone was maybe having a bad day, this instantly assisted with just making their world so much better. Thank you so much for that, Angelina Jordan. You are perfect. And this was a perfect collab. Beautiful music, beautiful voice. Wow, she's a queen. So guys, I trust that you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave your comments down below. Again, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I truly appreciate you all. Stay safe and be blessed. Goodbye.